Is your internet acting slow and you're not sure if it's your PC, your router, or your service provider? Don't just guess. Windows 10 gives you multiple ways to test your internet speed right from your computer. Before we test anything, make sure to like this video and subscribe. We cover simple fixes for annoying problems like this every week. Let's check your speed in 3 easy ways. Method 1. Use a web-based speed test. Open any browser. Go to speedtest.net or fast.com. Click Go or wait for the test to auto-run. You'll see your download, upload, and ping. Do this with no apps running in the background for best accuracy. Method 2. Use the Windows Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Performance tab. Select Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on how you're connected. This shows real-time speed, which is great to check if something is using a lot of data. Method 3. Use Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt and type ping.google.com. You'll see how long it takes your PC to reach Google. Low numbers mean a fast connection. If this helped you check your speed, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more troubleshooting videos coming up. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.